Everyone I interviewed, they said, and I'm going to end up with you, they said, talk about it. Don't forget us. Talk about it. Whatever you can do. Allah will give us victory. They all say this. We just don't know when. Victory is going to come. But meanwhile, everybody talk about it. Post. They love what we post because they know there's people think of them and remember them. They have to go and buy a SIM for 1 hour to see what is going on in the world, and they follow the news. And so imagine if we are here, all of us, stuck in here, bombing on our head. No one cares about us. And then in this 1 hour, when they are on the net, they see someone speak about us. How do you feel? So don't you get numb. Don't you say it's too long. Don't you say it's not me. No, it is us. These are our brothers and sisters. One day could be you and me. May Allah protect us. There is no guarantee in this world.